Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla's semi-initial production ramp is seeing some momentum. Tesla gives fresh look inside Giga Berlin, the machine that builds the machine. Tesla is poised to overtake Toyota as California's top carmaker. And Tesla highlights advantages of its scheduled departure feature. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Little by little, Tesla seems to be catching its rhythm with the initial production of the Semi. This was hinted at in sightings of the Class 8 all-electric truck at Tesla's pilot production site near Gigafactory, Nevada. The Tesla Semi is arguably one of the electric vehicle maker's most important products. As highlighted by Elon Musk during the announcement of Gigafactory Nevada's expansion, semi-trucks only account for around 1% of vehicles on the road, but they are responsible for about 20% of vehicle emissions. The Tesla Semi aims to drastically lower that number. But to accomplish this, Tesla needs to produce the Semi en masse. The company plans to do this with the expansion of Gigafactory Nevada, but before that is built, Tesla would need to iron out the kinks in the Class 8 all-electric truck's initial production. Fortunately, sightings from the EV community suggest that the Tesla Semi's initial production is going relatively smoothly. Tesla enthusiast Heinrichs Zane, who has been observing Tesla's pilot production facility for the Semi, recently shared on Twitter that he has now observed about 38 of the all-electric trucks from the facility. As per a Motor Trend report, PepsiCo has accepted 15 new Tesla Semi trucks as of January 2023, though more of the vehicles are expected to be delivered in the near future. Back in December, reports also emerged stating that PepsiCo is looking to roll out 100 Tesla Semi units in 2023. The comments were shared by PepsiCo Vice President Mike O'Connell in an interview with Reuters. The Tesla Semi is a beast of an electric vehicle, with photos taken of the Class 8 all-electric truck's pilot production line showing that the truck utilizes a 1000-volt battery pack. Based on previous comments from company executives, Tesla Semi units today do not use the company's 4680 battery cells yet, though with the build-out of Gigafactory Nevada's expansion, the vehicle would likely be transitioned to the new battery form factor. Moving to the next update, Tesla gives fresh look inside Giga Berlin, the machine that builds the machine. Tesla gave a series of fresh new looks inside Giga Berlin, its electric vehicle production facility located in Germany. The videos show how the factory is truly the machine that builds the machine, as automation, as well as a few helpful hands on the manufacturing line, help produce its products. Tesla Giga Berlin has produced the Model Y for just under a year now, reaching a run rate of greater than 250,000 vehicles per year. The facility finally produced roughly 3,000 vehicles per week by the end of Q4, helping Tesla maintain a significant market share in Germany and the European market as a whole. Today, Tesla gave a fresh look inside Giga Berlin, showing everything from casting and stamping to its world-class paint shop and general assembly lines. Tesla utilizes the Idra Giga press in Berlin, just as it does at other factories, to not only make manufacturing more efficient, but also improve vehicle quality and safety. Tesla shared multiple videos displaying the numerous processes of the casting design for the Model Y. 13 different body parts are stamped with a total of 7,300 tons of force in a press line that runs at up to 16 parts per minute, the automaker said. Additionally, Tesla showed portions of the rear casting process, which eliminated over 70 parts and refined the manufacturing process for the Model Y. Stamped parts and castings are welded together by more than 600 robots. The car is lifted into the paint shop by Godzilla, which Tesla said is one of the largest industrial robots ever. Tesla has always said that the paint shop inside Giga Berlin would be its best yet. Referring to it as world-class before it was even operational, the automaker has utilized the facility to roll out new colors in the European market, including Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red. Tesla has struggled with paint quality at its other factories, but Giga Berlin has undoubtedly helped, as it utilizes a series of high-quality paint and better processes to improve its look. Tesla filed to upgrade paint shops in Fremont, where some quality concerns arose several years ago. Relying on both automation and humans, Tesla's general assembly line at Giga Berlin is where the final touches are put into place and the Model Y truly takes shape. Over 1,000 people build the Model Y at any given time, installing HVAC, power electronics, drive units, and other elements. CEO Elon Musk said in the past that he relied too much on automation to get things done with production, and humans were underrated. The new look at Giga Berlin shows the cohesiveness between both robots and humans, which helps to complete the entire production process. The videos truly encapsulate how the machine that is Giga Berlin helps build the machine that is the Model Y. Tesla has refined its manufacturing processes to take advantage of both automation and humans. Moving to the next update, Tesla is poised to overtake Toyota as California's top carmaker. There's a reason why the Tesla Model 3 is fondly dubbed the California Camry in the Golden State. Data from the California New Car Dealers Association (CNCDA) reveals that the Model 3, Tesla's second best-selling vehicle, surpassed the Toyota Camry in sales last year. The Toyota Camry was California's best-selling car in 2021. The same trend can be observed in the light truck category. The Tesla Model Y once more became California's top light truck in terms of new vehicle registrations last year. This allowed the Model Y to beat the Toyota RAV4 for the second year running. CNCDA data showed that the Tesla Model 3 saw 78,934 registrations in California in 2022, beating the Toyota Camry with its 55,967 registrations. The Tesla Model Y saw 87,257 registrations last year, while the Toyota RAV4 saw 59,794 registrations. Tesla's performance against Toyota is impressive. The Japanese car maker is still a very strong force in California, commanding 17% of the state's vehicle registrations last year, with 289,304 units. Tesla held 11% of California's auto segment last year, with 186,711 vehicle registrations. A look at the sales trend in California would show that Toyota is seeing a decline as Tesla is growing its market share. As stated in an automotive news report, the market share of Toyota and its luxury brand Lexus has declined from 2021 to 2022. Tesla followed the opposite trend, with the company almost doubling its market share in the same period. This same trend was highlighted in a recent study from S&P Global Mobility, which noted that Toyota and Honda are losing buyers to companies like Tesla. Data from Experian suggests that there is a very good reason for this: Toyota and Honda do not have a strong EV lineup. Lauren McDonald, CEO of the analysis firm EV Adoption, told the publication that Tesla buyers today are the same consumers who bought Toyotas in the past. Tesla buyers today are the historical Honda and Toyota buyers of the past. They're switching over to Model 3s and Model Ys, McDonald said, highlighting that Tesla could overtake Toyota in a year or two based on its current momentum. Moving to the last update, Tesla highlights advantages of its scheduled departure feature. Tesla does not utilize traditional advertisements, but the company employs marketing strategies. Among these are videos highlighting some of its vehicle's key features and functions. These include otherwise minor features, like scheduled departure. And recently, Tesla posted a new video on its official YouTube channel, showcasing the advantages of its vehicle's scheduled departure feature. This allows Teslas to have a set time when they are ready to be driven. This means that prior to the scheduled departure time, a Tesla would calculate when it needs to start preconditioning its battery and how it could optimize its charging. This ensures that charging is completed before the vehicle's set departure time. The feature also preheats the cabin, steering wheels, and vehicle seats. This is very convenient, and it ensures that drivers and passengers are as comfortable as possible as soon as they enter the car. Tesla highlighted how easy it was to use scheduled departure in its recently shared video. Set your departure time in the Tesla app. With scheduled departure, your vehicle charges during off-peak hours, keeping your charge high and your electricity bill low. It also preheats your cabin, steering wheel, and seats, Tesla noted. Comments on Tesla's recently shared video suggest that scheduled departure is a very welcome and appreciated feature, with some EV owners stating that the function is extremely useful during the winter. Waking up on a cold day and seeing all your neighbors pouring water and blasting their fans whilst the Tesla is fully melted and warm before you even get out of bed is literally a life-changing feature. Thank you, Tesla, an EV owner wrote. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.